of me. He's afraid of me. It took me by surprise, the hatred in his eyes. I've pushed this man as far as he could go, but he lacked the words to let me know. He acted